Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the stadium in FC mobile game. Your stadium can give your team a fresh look and may provide minor RPG style perks. And this tutorial will walk you through how to change the stadium quickly and easily. First of all, launch open FC Mobile and sign into your club. From the main menu, click on the club option on the bottom right corner. After you get to your club, go ahead and click on Locker Room. Under Locker Room, you will see Stadiums option, tap on that. Now you will be able to see the stadium options you can choose from on the right hand corner. Browse through the available stadium templates. You'll see various stadium designs and capacities, but you will need to unlock your stadium by progressing in the Star Pass. If you see the lock sign in the stadiums, that means you'll need to unlock them. Go ahead and play the game, make progress throughout your game, and you will be able to unlock more stadium options. For the stadium options, you'll get the night and day view. Select the one that is available and you will be able to change your stadium. If the stadium is available, click on confirm at the bottom right corner. Since it is not available in my case over here, I'm just showing you the process. So that is how you will be able to change your stadium in FC Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.